Welcome to General Knowledge Study Circle. Please like and subscribe my channel. Question number 1. In which year Hilton Young Commission recommends the establishment of central bank? Answer 1931. Question number 2. Name the first payment bank of India that launches integrated UPI on its digital platform. Answer Airtel Payments Bank. Question number 3. Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, that is RIDF, is maintained by. Answer NABARD. Question number 4. ATM cards are issued to a person who maintains the accounts of. Answer savings account or a current account. Question number 5. How many digits are there in an Aadhaar virtual D? Answer 16. Question number 6. Which bank has launched the first contactless debit, credit and multi-currency forex card? Answer Axis Bank. Question number 7. The first RRB of India, Pradhama Bank, was established in which year? Answer 1975. Question number 8. Which of the following is governed by the provisions of Section 42 of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934? Answer CRR. Question number 9. What is the present number of local area banks in India? Answer 6. Question number 10. The applicable interest rate per annum for Kisan credit cards is 9% for a maximum credit limit of. Answer 3 lakhs. Question number 11. Which organization bar ministry is the nodal agency to provide licenses to e-commerce companies? Answer Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, that is DIPP. Question number 12. BHIM stands for. Answer Bharat Interface for Money. Question number 13. If a check is presented for payment after 6 months from the date of the check, it is called. Answer stale check. Question number 14. Dash Bank has introduced the first credit card in India. Answer Central Bank of India. Question number 15. What is the upper age limit for Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana renewable insurance scheme? Answer 50 years. Question number 16. What street name is used to refer to the RBI? Answer: Mint Street. Question number 17. Which of the following countries has the largest mutual fund market in the world? Answer: USA. Question number 18. What are the prepayment charges applied on paying a personal loan before tenure period? Answer: 1 to 2% of the principal. Question number 19. Which is the largest commercial bank in India? Answer: State Bank of India. Question number 20. Open market operations is related to which of the following organization? Answer: Reserve Bank of India. Question number 21. National Investment and Infrastructure Fund, that is NIIF, is recently established by the Union Government. It is an alternative investment fund of. Answer: Category 2. Question number 22. Dash is a check written by the drawer, that is payer, for a date in the future. Answer: Post dated check. Question number 23. Who regulates the functioning of district cooperative banks in India? Answer: RBI. Question number 24. Which of the following include the primary structure of the mutual funds? Answer: Open-end funds, unit investment trusts, and exchange traded funds. Question number 25. Which of the following is India's first credit information company? Answer: CIBIL company. Question number 26. Directorate General of Foreign Trade, that is DGFT, has put imports of gold ore in restricted category. Gold ore is an ally of. Answer: Gold and silver. Question number 27. Name the microfinance company that becomes the first to start operation as a commercial bank. Answer: Bandhan Bank. Question number 28. Asset reconstruction companies are regulated by. Answer: RBI. Question number 29. The first Indian bank to open a branch on foreign soil. Answer: Bank of India. Question number 30. Name the apex organization of industrial financing in India. Answer: IDBI. Question number 31. For using safe deposit locker facility, bank customers pay dash. Answer: Rent on locker. Question number 32. India's first international stock exchange, India INX is wholly subsidiary of. Answer BSE. Question number 33. Name the first bank in India to introduce biodegradable cards. Answer Axis Bank. Question number 34. Rising and inflation is termed as. Answer stagflation. Question number 35. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana is a scheme of Government of India designed to provide continuous electricity to rural India. Was launched in. Answer 2015 year. Question number 36. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley had launched a new taxpayer service module called. Answer Ayakar Setu. Question number 37. Name the pilot project of NABARD for digitalization of self-help groups, that is SHGS. Answer eSathi. Question number 38. Where has opened the world's first IAEA low enriched uranium, that is LEU bank? Answer Kazakhstan. Question number 39. Commercial paper can be issued in the denomination of. Answer 5 lakhs. Question number 40. Who has given the concept that bad money drives good money out of circulation? Answer Thomas Gresham. Question number 41. Which is India's first company to open with white label ATMs? Answer Tata IndiCash. Question number 42. What happens when CRR is increased? Answer it decreases the money supply and it decreases the inflation. Question number 43. Who is the chairperson of the Monetary Policy Committee of India? Answer RBI Governor. Question number 44. In which year RBI introduced check truncation system? Answer 2008. Question number 45. In which year the first Bank of India, Bank of Hindustan, was established? Answer 1770. Question number 46. What was the initial share capital of Reserve Bank of India? Answer 5 crore. Question number 47. Which of the following abbreviations is not related to banking? Answer EFTA. Question number 48. Who was the second governor of Reserve Bank of India? Answer Sir James Taylor. Question number 49. What is the full form of CRR? Answer: Cash Reserve Ratio. Question number 50. What is the full form of EFT? Answer: Electronic Funds Transfer.